Hello viewers, so this is the fourth and final video from this series. Thank you for all the lovely comments on the previous three videos. Hope you liked them and you found it interesting as well as informative. Please do subscribe to the channel to get updates on the new videos as well as access to the old videos and keep your post notifications on. In this video, we will be watching examples illustrating how artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques are helping enhance the accuracy and speed of medical equipments like X-ray machines, CT scan, etc.
This series is composed of multiple videos. First video describes how ML is powering smartphone applications and chatbots. There is a video showing use of machine learning for social monitoring and predictions. In another video, you will be happy to know how machine learning is helping speed up the research on treatment and vaccines. There is a special video that shows contribution of ML to medical equipments like X-ray scanners, etc. I have also mentioned drones and robots in that video.
Alright, so let's start with our first example where Infovision, a startup, has developed a new powerful AI-based tool. It helps quickly diagnose potential sufferers by visual detection. It uses NVIDIA's Clara SDKs, which are NVIDIA's AI healthcare application framework for AI-powered medical imaging. Infovision can identify typical signs or partial signs of COVID-19 coronavirus in suspected patient. The software is GPU accelerated and it detects the visual signs of pneumonia. And now more examples of improvements in X-ray and CT scan diagnosis by improving accuracy as well as speed. Alibaba's new AI system can detect coronavirus in chest CT scan with 96% accuracy, and that too in a record time of 20 seconds compared to traditional methods which may take up to 15 minutes. A new startup, Lunit, has Insight CXR, which is an AI-powered chest X-ray analysis software. That also claims a very high accuracy of about 96%. Researcher Bharat Narayanan has developed an AI-powered system that can detect presence of COVID-19 in chest X-ray with 96% accuracy. He has used deep learning algorithm that searches for markings on X-ray that indicate presence of C19 in less than 20 seconds. Again, a very fast and very accurate method. Similarly, IIT professor Kamal Jain, he has developed an X-ray diagnostic system. It's an AI-based database which analyzes over 60,000 X-ray scans. Doctors can upload their X-ray images and then software will classify if a patient has any sign of pneumonia. Moreover, it will also tell whether it is due to COVID-19 or any other virus. In addition to that, the software will also measure severity of infection. All this in just less than 5 seconds. The Lovely Professional University has developed a cloud-based AI. The AI technology that studies scans of the CT scans and X-rays are being deployed on cloud. This cloud-based system could be accessed at minimal cost from remotest locations while ensuring very high quality results. Cure.ai, which is an AI startup, they have developed an AI tool which speeds up radiology diagnosis. Now let's look at some other medical equipments. These are AI-based systems which are performing contact-based medical procedure. So instead of doctor, the systems are in contact with the patient and hence it can protect doctors as well as other patients from increased contamination risk. The systems can take body temperature measurements using thermal sensors. Systems can automatically disinfect hospital areas using sensors to determine human presence. There are facial recognition systems which are definitely safer than fingerprinting. SenseTime is applying AI to scan the faces of people wearing the masks. In video 2, we saw an example of VR camera. Similar example here, contactless identification of infected patient with their temperature detection software that has been deployed in stations, schools and other community places. The whole third video was dedicated to how scientists and research community is benefiting out of machine learning. Just one example here. With the help of Benevolent's AI software, they have identified a possible drug called baricitinib. This uses data extracted from scientific literature using ML. Well, I had promised in the beginning that I will be touching upon drones and robots also in this video. So here we are, we have some examples of how drones and robots are helping. And most of you already know many such examples. One example which I would like to mention is drones from Dragonfly are fitted with sensors and computer vision systems, which means they're using a lot of artificial intelligence and heavy use of machine learning as well. These drones are measuring body temperature, breathing and heart rates from up to 190 feet. They can also spot if someone is sneezing, coughing or following or not following social distancing rules. So drones are in every way helping in present pandemic, so as the robots. So viewers, here we are now. This was the fourth video from the video series, and now we have come to end of it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this journey. I hope you found it informative and interesting. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so that you can get updates and you can also get access to the older videos. Thank you very much for this journey with me on how machine learning is helping in many areas. Thanks. Stay healthy, stay safe, and have a nice day.